Hi, my name is Patrick Luber, and I'm a professor at the University of North Dakota in Grand Forks, North Dakota. And I've taught sculpture at the university there for coming up on just about 30 years. Happy to be here at the Art Center, and hopefully you'll enjoy the work. I get a lot of questions about process. I guess my basic process is all of the things that you see in the show are wood. There's a wood substructure. They're fabricated and then in some cases carved. And then after they're carved, they're basically skinned, if you want to use that word, skinned with aluminum beverage cans, cut into small strips, and then they're fastened or bent around the substructures and then nailed in place with little tiny brass-plated nails. And that's sort of the basic process of making the work. As you look at the show, you will also see that in a number of the works there's found objects. I've worked on and off with found objects, for many years. So some of the works also have or include found objects. I've been working in sculpture 40 years, maybe longer. All the way back in undergraduate school, it wasn't too long where I started to gravitate towards sculpture, and then sort of majored in the area in sculpture as an undergraduate student. And then when I went to graduate school, continued sort of various explorations in sculpture with a variety of mediums, actually, throughout my long career. So I've worked with a lot of different stuff. I've been working in this vein now for maybe 18 years, somewhere around there, give or take a few years, in various forms. This is kind of primarily what I do, but I also do other types of sculpture, things that are more found object or completely found object, and three-dimensional things too. What you see in this show is largely relief sculpture, but I've also done a lot in fully three-dimensional sculpture or sculpture in the round. So that's about the basic information about the show. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Hopefully you will walk away with more questions, and I hope you just find it fun. There's a number of pieces in the show that I think are fun or funny, and some that are serious. So I think there's a nice mix of things in the show that I think everybody will find something in the show that they can take away. Thank you.